Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 free Office applications ranked from good to amazing. Let's get into it. Are you looking for free office productivity software to get your work done without breaking the bank? In this video, we rank the top 5 free Office suites that are perfect for personal, professional, and academic use. Whether you're creating documents, crunching numbers, or making presentations, these free alternatives will help you save money and stay productive. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have Google Workspace. Now this isn't the entire Google Workspace suite, just the free online tools that come with a Google account. Google Docs, a powerful word processor for creating and collaborating on documents in real time. It's perfect for essays, reports, and team projects. One of its standout features is the ability to use voice typing to dictate text effortlessly. Just go to Tools and select Voice Typing, perfect for those long writing sessions. Google Sheets is ideal for handling data and spreadsheets, whether it's for budgets, planning, or data analysis. Sheets offers advanced features like charts and pivot tables to simplify complex tasks. Did you know you can pull live data into your spreadsheets using functions like Google Finance, great for tracking stocks or currency rates? Google Slides is your free solution for creating stunning presentations. With built-in templates, themes, and collaboration tools, it's perfect for school projects, work meetings, or creative storytelling. If you need basic Office functionality and love that seamless cloud integration, Google Workspace is a solid choice. To get Google Workspace tools, there's nothing to download. You just need to open up a Chrome browser and be logged into your Google account. Sliding into number 4, we have the OnlyOffice free version. OnlyOffice is available on Windows, macOS, and Linux operating systems. It also has mobile apps for Android and iOS devices. OnlyOffice offers both online and offline options. That means you can collaborate in real time or work offline on your desktop. OnlyOffice includes document editors for text documents for creating and collaborating on documents in real time. It's perfect for essays, reports, and team projects. Spreadsheets for handling data, whether it's for budgets, planning, or data analysis, and presentations. It's perfect for school projects, work meetings, or creative storytelling. It also has a PDF tool with many features. However, advanced options are limited to the paid version. OnlyOffice has multiple paid and free versions to choose from, which may be confusing for some. You may also run into limitations of features not available in the free versions. To get OnlyOffice, head over to onlyoffice.com. Click on Get It Now. Navigate down to the bottom where you see the Get Free apps. I'm going to click on Windows for my version. Select your version of Windows if you're using Windows. I'm going to click the .exe. This will download at the top. Once the download's complete, click on the installation file and follow the prompts. At number 3, we have FreeOffice by SoftMaker. FreeOffice is available on Windows, macOS, and Linux operating systems. It also has mobile apps for Android and iOS devices. FreeOffice, developed by SoftMaker, is a free Office suite that aims to be lightweight, fast, and compatible with Microsoft Office formats. It's available for personal and business use without charge. Applications include TextMaker, a word processor that allows users to create documents ranging from simple letters to complex books with indexes and bibliographies. PlanMaker is a spreadsheet application suitable for casual users and data analysts. Presentations is a presentation program for creating engaging presentations with customizable templates and transition effects. To get FreeOffice, head over to freeoffice.com. For Windows, you can click right here. I'm going to go ahead and go to the other downloads here. And you can see here you have downloads for Mac, Windows, and Linux. I'm going to download the Windows version. This is downloading in the top right-hand corner. Once the download completes, click on the installer and follow the prompts. Real quick, if you're finding value in this video, do me a favor and like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing to the channel doesn't cost you a thing, but it helps me grow the channel so I can continue to bring you content on a weekly basis just like this. Thank you, and let's get back to the video. Taking the number 2 spot, we have a classic, Apache OpenOffice. OpenOffice is available on Windows, macOS, and Linux operating systems. OpenOffice is a long-standing open-source office suite known for its simplicity and sustainability for basic productivity tasks. OpenOffice includes the core applications found in most office suites, Writer, a word processing application for creating various documents, Calc, a spreadsheet program for data management and analysis, Impress, a presentation software for designing and delivering presentations. OpenOffice once belonged in the number 1 spot, but development has fallen behind competitors in recent years. To get OpenOffice, head over to openoffice.org. Come here where it says I want to download Apache OpenOffice. Go right here to download full installation. And don't click anything else on this screen. It will start downloading automatically. You can see it there in the right hand side of my screen. Go ahead and click the application and follow the prompts to install. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, our number 1 pick is LibreOffice. LibreOffice is available on Windows, macOS, and Linux operating systems. LibreOffice is a powerful and feature-rich, free, and open-source office suite that is a successor to OpenOffice. It is backed by a non-profit organization and boasts a large and active community that contributes to its development. LibreOffice includes a wide array of applications to cater to various productivity needs, Writer, a full-featured word processor for creating documents ranging from simple letters to complex books with indexes and bibliographies, Calc, a powerful spreadsheet tool for casual users and data analysts, capable of handling complex calculations and data visualization. Impress is a presentation software for designing and delivering engaging presentations with customizable templates and transition effects. Draw is a versatile drawing tool used for creating diagrams, flowcharts, and vector graphics. It can also handle technical drawings and detailed illustrations. Base is a database management system similar to Microsoft Access, allowing users to create, manage, and manipulate databases. It supports SQL for advanced users and is suitable for both small and large databases. Math is a tool for creating and editing mathematical formulas, making it easy to write equations for papers or add formulas to spreadsheets. LibreOffice benefits from a large and active community of developers and users who contribute to its ongoing development, ensuring regular updates and improvements. Active community support make it a compelling choice for individuals and organizations looking for a free and powerful office productivity solution. To get LibreOffice, head on over to LibreOffice.org. Go to Downloads. Download LibreOffice. Select your operating system. Click the yellow download button. And it will automatically start downloading. Once the download is complete, click the installer and follow the prompts. It's all about finding the right tool for the job, and that's why these comparisons are valuable. Free doesn't mean one size fits all. Each of these suites has its own strengths and weaknesses. The key is to align your choice with your specific requirements and priorities. So far, we've covered a lot of ground. Google Workspace, the collaborative cloud king. OnlyOffice, the offline champion with a security focus. FreeOffice, the master of compatibility. And even the OG Apache OpenOffice is still chugging along. And of course our top pick, LibreOffice, with its impressive features and commitment to privacy. But here's the thing, this isn't just about picking a winner and calling it a day. It's about taking the knowledge and making an informed decision that fits your needs. And those needs might change over time. That's the beauty of free software. You're not locked in. You can experiment and find what works best for you. You're free to try different options, switch things up. Possibilities are endless, but whether you're a student, freelancer, or small business owner, or just someone who wants to get things done without breaking the bank, there's a free office suite waiting to empower you. So there you have it, the top 5 free office applications ranked. Drop your comments below for your favorite office suite. Let me know any programs you would like me to cover in the future. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Check out this video suggestion YouTube selected just for you. Thank you for watching, and until next time.